What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I talk about fashion, wellness, skincare, you name it. This channel is full of content, random content most of the time. But today, as you've seen in the title, we are unboxing some Russell athletic apparel. This is a basic workout wear brand that houses some comfortable and aesthetically pleasing and affordable athletic wear. So, of course, we're gonna box this and we're gonna see what they sent my way, because honestly, I'm not too sure what is in this box. I'm not sponsored nor an affiliate of Russell Athletic. They were just kind enough to send some pieces my way. So we're gonna check this out, have some fun, and hopefully you're interested. If you are, then grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. Just to kick this off, Russell Athletic does house some athletic wear, but this is a Russell Athletic shirts, which I'm pairing it with a nice pair of jeans right here. You can see the RA right there. And you can pretty much like wear these shirts with anything. They're very comfortable, they're breathable, and I like to roll my sleeves up just because I found that Russell Athletic sleeves for large shirts aren't as like, you know, complimentary. Is that a word? Cat hair. I have so much cat hair, guys, so if you see something like going on in this video, please don't judge me. But anywho, their sleeves are not as I would like them to be. That's the only downfall, guys. But that's probably just me with my Betty Spaghetti arms. It's a me issue. It's a me problem, okay? I got it. So let's dive in. Let's get into the unboxing here. And again, I have no idea what they sent me, so this is gonna be quite interesting. But I have to say, I do love their workout gear. Like, I absolutely appreciate anything that is workout attire related that's affordable. And that's exactly what Russell Athletic is. So here is the box. I can already see something that I'm so excited about. This is a sweatshirt. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Okay, so as you can see, that's the logo, Russell Athletic. A little, I believe that's an eagle. Don't, you know, take my word for it, but this is a size large. Oh my goodness, this is actually really sick. Kind of looks vintagey, right? That's the vibe that I'm getting for this. And super sick. I'm not sure how much this goes for, but I'll put it on the screen if it's still available. And of course, I'm gonna link all of Russell Athletic's information in the description down below. But this is really sick, color black, and it feels super soft. This just like kind of reminds me of an old school hoodie. There's something about it that has that vibe, and I appreciate it. So next up, we have, looks like another basic crew neck sweatshirt. And I actually already have this one in black as well. So this is my second one, which I'm not mad about because I wear the crap out of my first one. But the fit of this, I mean, it's pretty sick. This has like a very good fit for a large. I mean, it's not baggy. This is the type of fit that I wish that they had for their t-shirts. It's complimentative. I think that's the word I was looking for before. Complimentative. Like, it looks good. It's flattering, okay? That's the word, flattering. I already know that you guys probably are aware of Russell Athletic. They're sold pretty much everywhere right now on Amazon, on russellathletics.com. They're also sold at Walmart. They're all over the place, okay? Next up, looks like we have a long sleeve gray shirt. Now, you know, I wear a lot of gray. That's like my favorite color, if it was a color. And we have a long sleeve here. So this is also, I believe, a size large. It's my size. I'm about 5'11", so I need things with length. Unfortunately, mediums like shrink way too fast. So I'm a large, but this is really cool. I like how the sleeves are cuffed, if you can make that out. By the way, these are what the tags look like in case like you want a view of the tags. I'm definitely gonna be putting the shirt to good use, so you'll probably be seeing this quite often on my social media, so just preparing you. We have one more piece in the box. This is a very quick video, guys. I just want to make sure I share this moment because Russell Athletic is definitely a brand that is underneath the radar. I mean, we have your mainstream athletic wear like Lululemon, Adidas, Nike. Who else is there? Puma. There is New Balance. Does New Balance make athletic wear or just like shoes? Honestly, I don't even know. But I just want to make sure I threw it out there. These are under the radar, okay? Russell Athletic needs a little bit more attention. And this is a beautiful maroon hoodie. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now that my summer tan is pretty much like dissolved and I'm turning white again, I can wear this color. During the summer when I get like tan, I can't wear red to save my life. And it sucks because Tommy Hilfiger, like red, white, and blue colors are their mainstream colors. And it's challenging to wear red, but now I can because I'm pale. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this on right now just to show you how good I know this is gonna look, okay? Hopefully I don't mess my hair up too bad. Wow. Okay, so this is super comfortable. It feels very soft on the skin and smells really good too. It smells brand new. But this is actually kind of a cool combo. This is a very cozy, yet like if you gotta run and like do some errands, you gotta go out and about, I feel like this is definitely a cool outfit. I appreciate it. I like it. I like the colors. I like the gray, I like the maroon, the blue jeans. Okay, we're classic, but that is my Russell Athletics haul, guys. I do these quite often. I've been working with Russell Athletic now for over a year. So working as in like not receiving money from them, but creating content of what they send my way, a partnership, a collab, if that's what you want to call it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Again, I talk about men's fashion, skincare, wellness, lifestyle. I talk about anything, everything, and also take requests. So if there's a video that you'd like for me to do, maybe drop a comment, okay? I'll take your suggestion. Also, before you go, my personal Instagram is @𝗏𝗏𝗏 if you want to follow me in there as well. And until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.